Right. See it'll focus. In Dion. We're not doing that one, do we? Right, anyway. Day. What day is it? Tuesday. I think it's. What does that make? 20 days of furlough. Yeah. Not quite as motivated as I was. Anyway, the washing machine seems to have died. Actually, I should look up the error code then. I don't know what it was now, I've cleared it. No. And it might be, but I can't do it one-handed. Anyway, I think it's just the filter blocked. Apparently it does have a filter. I've never cleaned it out, so. And I washed the dog bed the other day, which was very hairy. So I think that's what it is. It just seems to be making weird noises, so yeah, it might be worse. Anyway, this could be amusing. Might not be. Okay, right, well at least the lock sign's gone off now. Here, and it's bin day. Right. Well, I think first things first, I gotta get all that out. Oh, it's very wet. It's definitely. What's that be? It's definitely pump or filter related. Right. Oh no. Oh, very, very wet. He's recording, isn't it? Oh no! Sorry, I'll try and get. Oh, I don't know. It's all just going to go everywhere anyway. I might as well go everywhere here, won't it? This is going to be horrid. Right, I'm going to put that over there somewhere. Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, we haven't quite thought that through, haven't we? That is actually really quite heavy. Right, I think it, I'll put it outside. Lovely. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. Right. Yes, I probably better move that. Apparently, there's a filter on the back. But that's not very helpful, is it? Why don't you put it on the front? Oh, that is quite heavy, yes. Oh. Yeah, do that, otherwise now I can't move it. Yeah, I don't smell very pleasant. Right, so what was it? Hey, steady. Manual say then, where was I? Options, buttons, opening the door. I think I'll manage that. Filter cleaning. Only available on certain models. Pull out the corrugated hose. Remove the stopper. Well, I don't. It must have a filter, surely. Yeah, that didn't work. Ah, oh. It goes all the way there. perhaps is that what that bit at the front is? That would make more sense, wouldn't it? See, look. That bit there, I've opened that up before. Oh, look, that looks more like it, doesn't it? Right, let's just go. Yeah, I'll probably move the camera first. Right, here goes Batman. That doesn't actually relate to anything, just concentrate on what you're doing. Anything it says in the manual, does it? It says take the... This is the candy one, isn't it? Yeah, I probably got the wrong manual. Right, anyway. Oh, look. That looks more like it, doesn't it? That, what? Oh. I'm a bit nervous now. Can I get it out the door? I can't be bothered to clear all this crap up. Hello? Yeah, empty it all out. I've got a plan. I've got a plan. I think I might get all this crap off here first. Oh yeah, don't lose those either. I didn't quite think this through, did I? I can't get back in now. Right. Right. Oh my God. Yeah, we should probably have gone uphill, shouldn't I? Yeah, that don't look marvellous, does it? Ooh. Right, I'll better put the back on then, I suppose. I do think it's supposed to be that. Slightly different shape now. And that side. Not getting terribly wet, is it? We'll do it around and off. Right, this doesn't necessarily mean I fixed it. Yeah, not everybody wants to see your underpants. Fine, idiot. All your leggings. Very wet. Shall I just put it on a spin first? I've done the washing, it just needs spinning. Actually, I don't know where it got to. Okay, here. Nearly as interested as watching me watch one of my bikes ticking over. Here. Worry about coronavirus, there's all kind of crap growing behind there.